Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about intent. In this world, many people help one another on the basis of social values. Otherwise, their intent is very bad because of many reasons like jealousy, leg pulling, competition, and grudge, etc. They really don't want to help others in their difficulties and hardships. But despite of their bad intent, they have to do so. In this way, they lose special karmic reward of their deeds. Please pay human rights correctly and have good intent for others as you have for yourself. Believe me, one day you will be very happy after getting karmic reward of your deeds. Life according to me.